The ergonomically designed S4 safety cutter was created for in-store safety, with efficiency in mind. The cutter handle is carefully shaped and designed specifically to provide more comfort for users of all sizes. The cutting geometry has been fine-tuned to make box cutting easy, safe, and comfortable during long periods of box cutting and merchandising. All the features, from the tape splitter, the two-tray cut settings, to the main top box cut positions, have been thoroughly researched and refined to fit the user and the application. That is why the S4 safety cutter is the preferred tool in the industry, reducing cut injuries, damaged merchandise, and insurance claims. Cutting boxes with the S4 safety cutter can be a safe and satisfying task, so to make this product an integral part of your job, we will show you some safety features that can help you get the most benefit from your cutter. The S4's unique color coding makes it easy to distinguish. High visibility green for right-handed and red for left-handed. The see-through body of the S4 enables you to see if it is loaded with blades, both in the front and the rear blade storage compartment, while still in a closed position. The user ID box on the back allows every individual to personalize his or her cutter easily using a permanent marker. This feature helps for uninterrupted workflow caused by lost cutters and time. Another convenient feature is the easily accessible blade storage compartment that holds up to 5 replacement safety point blades. Looking over the cutter, the front of the blade guard is a tape splitter which is used to quickly and safely cut down the center flaps of a box without an exposed blade. The main feature of this cutter, and the most common way of cutting open a box, is by using the first top cut position. In the top cut position, the safety blade guard protects the user during cutting operations and safely covers the blade. The blade exposure safety window provides the user with a visual reminder of the blade position. For precise and safer cuts, the S4 features a rigid single-notch safety point blade. The single-notch design is for positive alignment when loading the blade. The blunted safety point blade also helps reduce the chance of puncture wounds. There are 3 cutting positions available: top cut for box tops and 2 tray cuts for single and triple corrugated boxes. Resting the controlled angle safety guard on the top of the carton puts your wrist in an ergonomically correct neutral arm position, allowing the cutter to follow the top of the box for a clean, straight cut every time. The guard also sets the angle and depth of your cut, virtually eliminating damaged merchandise. And the S4's guard is made from rigid sheet metal so it won't bend or break under heavy workloads. Always keep your thumb on the safety guard when cutting, and always begin your cut at the front corner of the box. Remember to always keep your opposite hand out of the line of the cut. The S4's 2 tray cut positions help protect both the person using the cutter and valuable merchandise by presetting the blade depth for either a double or triple corrugated box. Blade changes with the S4 are simple. Press the release lever on the bottom of the cutter with your thumb, and with your opposite thumb, slide the button into the forward or blade change position. Lift the tip of the blade, raising it off of the alignment tab. Then rotate the blade down and out of the cutter. To replace the blade, simply slide the tip of the blade along the blade carriage and rotate it up under the guard so it's seated properly over the alignment tab. Retract the blade and you're ready to go. Blade storage. The blade storage compartment conveniently holds 5 blades in the cutter. Simply lift at the release point on the blade storage compartment to unlatch and swing open. Gently use your index finger to press the blades up from behind with the index finger and slide one blade out with your thumb. To close the compartment, just swing it back into the handle and press down to securely close. You are now ready to extend the box cutting blade and continue box cutting. The safety swivel holster keeps your safety cutter close at hand for ease of use and safekeeping, and equally important, it is actually a safety device by itself. Comfortably clipped on your belt or pants, the holster automatically retracts the exposed blade as soon as the safety cutter is placed into the holster. A clear improvement on perfection. S4 Safety Cutter. Reduced costs associated with cutter accidents. Damaged merchandise. And with the S4 Safety Cutter from PHC's Safety First system of products. Safety First System. Working safe every day.